Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Patterns and Algebra Exercises Part 1. In this video we present revision exercises on the Patterns and Algebra strand. This is the first slide and I'll leave it on for 10 or 15 seconds. As before, you can pause the slide if you want at any time. You can write the answers on a sheet of paper and all the answers are at the end for you to check your work. And that is slide number 2. Remember, all the answers are at the end. And that's the third slide. I'll leave it on for a short while. And here is the first answer sheet. And the one after that. And here is the last answer sheet.